Giving your characters a voice, dialogue and character traits. Hello everyone, and welcome to our video series on creative writing. In this video, we will be discussing a very interesting topic, using dialogue to reveal character traits and emotions. This topic is part of our character development series, and we will learn how to use dialogue to provide insights into our characters. Firstly, let's define what we mean by character dialogue. In creative writing, dialogue is the conversation between characters. It is not just idle chatter, but a tool for developing characters, moving the plot forward, and creating tension or conflict. A crucial aspect of dialogue is how it can reflect a character's personality. For example, a character who uses formal language may be seen as educated or strict, whereas a character who uses slang may come off as laid-back or rebellious. In other words, the way a character speaks can reveal a lot about who they are. When creating dialogue, think about how your character's words can reflect their personality traits. For instance, an optimistic character might always find something positive to say, even in dire situations. A grumpy character might always have a sarcastic comment to make. Try to avoid direct exposition where the narrator explains the character traits. Instead, let the character's words and actions speak for themselves. This way, the reader gets a sense of discovery, and the character development feels more authentic. Just as dialogue can reveal character traits, it can also express their emotions. The words characters choose, their tone of voice, even their silences, can all hint at what they are feeling. For example, consider a character who is feeling guilty. Instead of stating, "John felt guilty," you could have him stutter or stumble over his words, or perhaps even avoid eye contact. This not only shows the reader that he's feeling guilty, but also makes the story more engaging. Remember that dialogue should be more than just a conduit for information. It should help to reveal characters' emotions, create tension, and push the story forward. To truly master the use of dialogue, practice is key. Try writing conversations between your characters and experiment with different ways of expressing their traits and emotions. Don't be afraid to rewrite dialogue multiple times to find the most natural and compelling voice for your characters. That's it for this video on using dialogue to reveal character traits and emotions. I hope this has been helpful and you feel inspired to give your characters a unique and authentic voice. Remember, your characters are the heart of your story, and the way they speak can make them come alive. Happy writing, everyone!